Welcome to another bite-sized video. My name is Dr. Brooklyn Storme and I'm a private practice specialist. So pleased that you're here because I want to give you some quick guidance about what to do if you feel like maybe you're undercharging in your private practice. In the counseling field, most counselors tend to be women. And they do undercharge because I think some of us think you can either be helpful or you can be making money in your business. And I want you to know you can do both things at the same time. And you can do them in integrity and you can do them in alignment with your values. And in fact, if you're not generating revenue, then you're not in business unless it's like a charity or a not-profit. And that's not what we're here for, okay? I would encourage you to think about what are your shadow values. Why did you start the practice? And think about how charging the right fee can help you to experience more of the things that you really want to be experiencing. So if you started it because one of your bright, shiny values is to help more people, think about how charging the recommended fee at a minimum will help you to help more people. Now, in the absence of PAC 4NA and the ACA creating a recommended fee schedule, you know, I went and made one for us a long time ago, and I've been long recommending that the recommended fee for all counsellors at a minimum when they first start is $150. So start there, go up from there, but if you need help with your money mindset, let me know. Leave a note in the comments about, if you feel comfortable, what your money blocks are, and I will do my best to give you some support around that as well. Have a beautiful day. Bye.